Practice makes a man perfect. Short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a young chef named Romi. Romi loved cooking, but he struggled to create delicious dishes at first. Instead of getting discouraged, he decided to practice his culinary skills every day. He experimented with different ingredients, techniques, and recipes. Romi spent hours in the kitchen, honing his skills and learning from his mistakes. Gradually, his dishes started to improve, and he became known for his mouth-watering creations. People from all over the world would come to taste his food. Moral: with practice and perseverance, we can become masters in our craft. Keep practicing and you will get success one day. Thanks for watching.